I have coated all the parts in flux and placed them on the charcoal block. When I see the bright orange flame, I know that I am at the fusing temperature. Here comes the bright orange flame again. Right after that, watch for the wet look. And there it is. I'll now turn them over and fuse from the back side. There's no need to pickle or clean before adding the granules. I simply dip the granules in flux and place them in their desired positions. I don't need to add flux to the clasp itself because I didn't remove the flux. I will let the flux dry before fusing.